What is going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. Today we're gonna do something fun. We are making Khloe Kardashian's 4-cheese garlic white cream pasta. Okay, I will pop up on the screen the ingredients for this recipe. I found this recipe on push.com. The ingredients we'll be using is olive oil, butter, garlic, 8-ounce pasta water, chicken, what is this called? Chicken cube. Would that be chicken broth? I feel like that's chicken broth, right? I usually don't cook with that stuff, so this is all new to me. Heavy cream, cheeses. I couldn't decide what cheeses to get, so I bought 4. And parsley. Okay guys, let's get cooking. Okay, so I have my recipe and wine. That's all you need to cook this recipe. So I'll most likely be looking at the directions the whole time because this is a pretty fancy recipe, not gonna lie. So we're gonna have this right here. And first we're going to heat olive oil and butter on medium heat in a large skillet. I'm just gonna use this skillet. Hopefully this skillet is big enough. I feel like this recipe has so many servings and I'm just one person. So I might cut back on some of the ingredients, but hopefully it works out, you know? Okay, let's do it. So we have 1 tablespoon. Oh wait. Let's get a second camera on us. Let's see how this works. We're filming. Okay, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon. There's 1 tablespoon left. I forgot to buy olive oil, so this will have to do. 1 tablespoon, and then 1 tablespoon of butter. I have this olive oil, country crock plant butter. Oh, that's kind of cool. I don't think I've tried this. Okay. 1 tablespoon into the pan. Make sure we're on medium heat. We're also going to add garlic. I don't know, it says 5 garlic cloves minced. So I'm just gonna do a lot because you can never go wrong. Oh my God, look how, do you see that? We're doing it. We're doing it. So we have that going. It says to stir to avoid burning. Oh no, oh gosh. So high of a heat. Okay, we're also going to start boiling the pasta. So I'm going to add water into this pasta bowl. Pot. It's a pot. So I know the recipe calls for 8 ounces of pasta, but 2 boxes of the pasta I bought, I don't think it adds up to 8. So we're just gonna do both of them. I feel like the garlic's already burning. The water's boiling, or starting to, it's not starting to boil. I literally just turned it on. Oh my gosh, I hope this doesn't burn. This is so chaotic. I feel like this is so stressful as I'm like recording this, cooking. Let me know what you guys think so far. This is my first time filming and cooking a recipe like in real time in a way. I really hope I don't burn it. Oh my gosh. What are you guys up to this weekend? Let me know. So we have to boil the pasta and then keep 1 cup of the cooked pasta water and then dissolve the chicken broth stuff in it. I've never done that before. I feel like the instructions should have said cook the pasta first. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I'm going very, very low key on this garlic stuff because I don't think my pasta is it's definitely not gonna be ready. It's already browning, which I don't know if that's okay. Okay, my garlic already burned, so we're gonna go with it though. I just turned off the skillet. Guys, that is burnt. It only was cooking for not even 2 minutes. This is the worst cooking video ever. I'm gonna add the pasta into the pot. Let's hope we don't burn the pasta now. I think I have to redo the garlic, but I have no more olive oil. That was a bad choice to do that first. We're going with it though. Okay, that is burnt. What is going on? Please, what is this? That is so bad. Okay, I'm trashing that. There's some oil still left in. I think we should be good. Are you? Oh my gosh. Okay, that's garbage. Let's wait for the pasta to boil and then we'll cook more garlic. Okay, so I'm recooking garlic. So I just added more garlic and a little bit of butter. That is gonna be on low heat just because I learned my lesson. And the pasta is almost done, but I know you have to add a cup of pasta water, so I'm just gonna do that right now. And then we're just gonna do a serving of the chicken broth stuff. How do you say that? How do you say that? I have no idea. I don't think I've ever used this stuff before, so we're gonna see how it goes. Oh my gosh, I swear I went to the gym this week. Ugh. I'm just gonna mix it into the pasta water. That's good. I'm gonna set that to the side. Okay, I'm pretty sure. Is it weird I'm using like the same utensil for everything? Okay, I think the pasta's done. So we're gonna drain that. And then, okay, the garlic doesn't look bad anymore. It doesn't look burnt. So we're getting somewhere. Turn off the heat on the pasta and we're going to drain it. Okay, next we are going to add pasta water. So that should be good. I hope this skillet's big enough. And then it says to add the heavy cream. Okay, it said heavy cream. I only can find half and half. Like, is that heavy cream? No. Oh, I swear I go to the gym. Okay, let's add, that's a lot. I'm not gonna add a full cup. Okay, we have the heavy cream or half and half. And then we are going to add in the cooked pasta. I feel like I can't fit all this pasta in, so I'm only gonna add in just a bit. Is that gross? Was that gross? You definitely need a bigger skillet. Okay, so with that, we're going to add in the cheese. Okay, it says 1.5 cups of cheese. I definitely want to put like mozzarella in. I feel like I'm kind of gonna just eyeball this, so we'll see how that works. And I definitely have to bump up the heat for this now, so the cheese can melt. I'm gonna add Italian 4 cheese. We'll see how that goes. And then the spicy Mexican blend. I feel like that will be really good. I like spicy, so I feel like that would be perfect. And then I'm gonna add some Parmesan as well. So basically all the 4 cheeses that I showed you earlier. And wow. That's so much cheese. It reminds me of that scene in Napoleon Dynamite where there's like so much cheese. This is definitely gonna be messy. Well, that's happening. This skillet, this skillet is not big enough. I don't think I can use this anymore. I'm going to use the tongs. Whoa. Okay, this actually looks very good. Stop it. Okay, I'm going to turn down the heat and I'm going to start pleating it. It's like a fancy way to plate pasta. When you like twist it. Oh my gosh, the cheese is everywhere. Oh my god, pasta is everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna twist it. Can you see this? I'm gonna twist it like this, even though I don't think it's doing anything. That is so ugly. Honestly, no, it's gorgeous. We're gonna go with that. Please look at like all the pasta. That is just so gross. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, we're gonna chop up some parsley. And we have enough. Are you ready for this? Wait, gotta get in focus. Okay, tap my face right there. Okay. Guys, look what we just made. Oh my gosh. Okay, we gotta set you over so I can taste test. Back over here. Okay, I think the only downfall was when I burnt the garlic, but I think this was worth it. It honestly didn't take too long to cook. So just that fact, and just the fact we use protein pasta as well. This looks so good. Please look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, taste test, guys. Taste test. Oh, that's so good. Guys, not gonna lie, I don't care for cheese, but this is very good. I think it was a combination of all the cheeses we use. I definitely taste like a spicy cheese, which is definitely that Mexican spicy cheese one that I got. And I'm so glad I got that because I love anything spicy. So the fact that I can taste that, I'm a happy girl. Definitely worth making for sure. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you try this recipe. It was very easy to make, so you know I like my simple recipes. And also let me know what other dishes you want to see me make and I will take a gander. But until next time, peace. I got my own bowl of pasta.